Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make a portfolio site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, before you actually make your site, as I did currently, before you actually get into your editor, when you're making your site, when you first access Squarespace, you have the option to select a template, and you have certain templates which would fit your profile. You can very easily choose a template that fits a portfolio style of a site, whether it be a portfolio of your projects or of your photography or anything else. You can choose that template, and then once you choose it, you can start editing it to add the elements that you want. Now, as you can see, currently I'm at an empty page on my website. And if I went to assets, I have an empty folder over here, and I have some photos, as you can see under files. This is a stock photo that I have on Squarespace, and you can very easily just upload all your photos or any files which you might need into your asset library and then use it on your site further. Now, if I go into pages here, you can see that you can add pages under main navigation, or you can add them to the non-linked group, where you can then create a button to link to those pages on any other page. Now, on your page, to actually edit it and make it look like a portfolio, you can click edit, and here you can add a section and add whichever content you would like. You can, as I've mentioned, add images or galleries to make a portfolio page for your photography or any other images. You can upload photos of any projects you might have, and you can also add digital products as well if you're making an online store, if you plan on selling any of your work. And you can also add any blank sections if you would like, which you can then edit. You can add text blocks. If you go to add blocks, you can add text, and if you want to make sort of a CV as a portfolio on your site, you can just add text to your pages, write it up, and then add all of your accomplishments and pretty much everything that goes into your portfolio. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.